Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for a projector for your home entertainment system, I have to share this one from WiMiUS. So one of the first things I fell in love with about this projector is the Keystone Correction. It has a 4-point Keystone Correction. That means that you can adjust the corners of the screen to make sure that your picture quality is perfect. It also has a zoom feature that you can add on to that to make sure it fits perfectly on your projecting screen. Now, I recommend using an HDMI streaming box or a streaming stick to get perfect quality. But the thing I have to say that I love the most is the picture quality itself, how bright and clear the picture is. You can even see how bright it is on the screen, even when there is a light shining over it. You can still use the projector, which is amazing for those of you who like to have it in the bedroom or you'd like to have it in your living room. I think that this is going to make such a perfect gift for anyone who loves projectors or wants to beef up their home entertainment system, or even a child to have their first screen in their room. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.